What is the duration required to master the Quran? Many different factors can impact how long it takes someone to learn the Quran, like their familiarity with Arabic, daily routine, and devotion to learning and rehearsing. However, with consistent effort and practice, beginners can expect to gain a basic understanding of the Quran within a few months. Do I need to know Arabic to learn the Quran? Although Arabic is not obligatory for Quranic studies, mastering it can facilitate efficient learning. Beginners should first focus on learning the basics of Arabic, including the alphabet and pronunciation, before diving into Quranic education. Is it necessary to memorize the Quran? Memorization is not required, but it is highly recommended. It can help improve understanding and connection to the Quran. Memorization can also make it easier to recite verses and surahs during prayer and other religious practices. Can I learn the Quran online? Multiple internet-based tools are accessible for individuals seeking to acquire knowledge of the Quran. These resources offer access to online courses, ebooks, and videos.